Hello food lovers. Ever bitten into a juicy, grilled bratwurst and thought, wow, this is delicious. But what's the story behind it? Today, we're diving into the sizzling, savory world of Germany's most beloved sausage, the bratwurst. From ancient origins to Guinness records and spicy secrets, I promise you've never heard these unexpected facts before. Bratwurst isn't just one thing. It's actually a whole family of sausages, with over 40 regional varieties across Germany. The name comes from the Old High German word, Bratwurst, which doesn't mean grilled, but rather, finely chopped meat sausage. So, brat doesn't refer to the grill, it's all about the prep. The origins of bratwurst date back over 700 years, with Nuremberg's bratwurst being one of the oldest documented recipes from the year 1313. But here's a shocker. Sausage making in Germany was actually a way to avoid wasting meat during times of famine. Bratwurst was originally created from leftover cuts, seasoned heavily to preserve flavor and freshness. Here's a wild fact. Some historical bratwurst recipes included calf brain as a filler. Yup, back in the day, nothing was wasted. It wasn't uncommon to find sausages packed with organ meat. Thankfully, modern recipes are a bit more appealing, mainly pork, veal, or beef. Guinness World Records approved it, of course. In Germany, bratwurst is more than food. It's a symbol of local pride. Every region has its own style. In Thuringia, they're spicy and slender. In Franconia, they're coarse and herbaceous. And in Bavaria, you'll often find them white, served with sweet mustard and pretzels. Yes, that's the famous Weisswurst cousin. Bratwurst has traveled far beyond Germany. In the US, Wisconsin has embraced it so much that the city of Sheboygan calls itself the Bratwurst capital of the world. And did you know there's a Bratwurst Hall of Fame? It's real, and located in Bucyrus, Ohio. Nothing pairs better with a bratwurst than a cold German lager or pilsner. But here's a lesser-known trick. Some bratwursts are pre-cooked in beer to infuse them with extra flavor before grilling. It's a secret tip from German grill masters. Quick question. Mustard or ketchup on your brat? If you're in Germany, ketchup might get you side eyes from locals. In many regions, especially in the south, using mustard, particularly spicy or sweet Bavarian mustard, is considered the only way to eat it right. Traditional bratwurst seasoning goes far beyond just salt and pepper. Some regional varieties use a blend of up to 12 spices, including nutmeg, marjoram, cardamom, coriander, lemon zest, caraway, and garlic, creating a deeply layered flavor that sets each sausage apart. Yes, Germany has bratwurst museums. The most famous is the first German Bratwurst Museum in Holzhausen, Thuringia. It showcases over 600 years of bratwurst history, original cooking tools, sausage art, and even bratwurst-themed games. In medieval Germany, butchers were required to take oaths swearing they wouldn't put poor quality meat or fillers in sausages like bratwurst. If caught cheating, they could be publicly shamed, fined, or even banned from their craft. In recent years, Germany has embraced plant-based bratwurst, and many festivals now include vegan versions made from pea protein, tofu, or jackfruit. They're especially popular among younger, eco-conscious Germans. That's nearly 10 bratwursts per person annually, and that doesn't even count all the regional sausages or seasonal specialties. It's no exaggeration to say bratwurst is a national obsession. In addition to Oktoberfest, there are dozens of local bratwurst festivals across Germany, but also in the US, especially in places with strong German roots like Minnesota, Ohio, and Wisconsin, drawing tens of thousands of visitors each year. In some German regions, leftover grilled bratwurst is sliced and eaten cold the next morning on buttered rye bread, often with pickles or mustard. It's a rustic, hearty breakfast for the no-nonsense German appetite. A common mistake is piercing the bratwurst while cooking. In Germany, that's a grilling sin. It releases the juices, drying out the sausage. A true German grillmaster knows. Turn, don't stab. Certain German culinary schools and meat processing programs offer modules specifically on bratwurst making and history, including its role in regional identity, sustainability, and even marketing. Yes, there's Bratwurst Academia. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.